Indonesia. And then, so hello everyone, nice to meet you all. So I'm Nicholas, and this year I'm 30 years old. Yes, working as a graphic designer and IT department. So I've been overweight, yeah, since young. So from that time, I like to eat a lot of junk food and like to eat drink the soft drink. That's my favorite. And at the young age, I was struggling with the asthma problem. Hard to breathe. So I have tried the method through exercise. I managed to reduce some my body weight, but I didn't change my lifestyle. Eventually, I got my heaviest weight. Yeah, it's around 130 kg. So you can see the picture here. My lower part is look bigger. So due to non-stop eating, and I like to eat fast food and also sleeping late and gaming in the late night. Yeah, and also even in the lifestyle during college. Yeah, I started try to lose weight with a lot of method before, but it doesn't work for me. I skipping my meal, everything, and try to work out 6 days a week. Yeah, my health got much more worse when I got into my working life. Yeah, my knees starting having problem because I'm too overweight and obese, and I have a skin allergy, serious skin allergy. Yeah. So as what many people do, I googling what the solution to cure my sickness and my unhealthy body. So without the help and the guidance, how to start a healthy lifestyle. Yeah. So I have asked my family before. What they answer me is you just have to rest more or eat the vitamin C, and also I have to visit the doctor every single month, and also the doctor just gave me the medicine or the injection, but nobody really understand how I feel on that time. Yeah, so I'm looking for the help. So lastly, I try to lose weight again. Yeah, I came across for this program is from the Facebook. Yeah, and then I have think for a few times. Lastly, I decided to give it the try with this program. Yeah, I total loss of 52 kg. Yeah, and already sustained for 3 years with the positive community and the coaching. So right now I still maintaining to enjoying my food. Yeah, what I have to eat without anything I have to skip or don't like to eat anymore. So what I have to share here is not about the perfection, it's about the effort we get. If I can do it here, every one of you here also can do it. Yeah, so thank you everyone for my sharing tonight.
Thank you, Nicholas. Wow, I love that one. It's not about perfection, but it's actually just taking tiny steps and progressing gradually towards it. That's amazing. 52 kgs and sustaining it for 3 years. Wow. And also going through something where nobody really understood what you're actually going through, but just pumping you with injections and medications. But you actually wanted to dive down into the root of it and correct it. And that's amazing. Wow, I'm so inspired. How many of you guys are inspired with me today?